Enhancing AWS Route 53, a proposal for proactive name server mismatch warnings. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Enhancing AWS user experience, implementing warnings for name server mismatches in hosted zones. As AWS continues to evolve as the go-to platform for cloud services, the complexity and breadth of its offerings can sometimes lead to user challenges, particularly for those managing DNS configurations through Amazon Route 53. One significant pain point that often goes unnoticed until it's too late is the mismatch of name servers, NS, when creating or updating hosted zones in Route 53. This podcast proposes a user-friendly solution to this problem by implementing warnings for name server mismatches in the AWS Management Console and CloudFormation outputs. Introduction: the problem statement and its impact. When managing DNS settings on AWS, the name servers associated with your domain must be correctly configured. A mismatch in name servers during the creation or update of hosted zones can lead to significant downtime, broken services, and a frustrating troubleshooting experience. AWS does not provide explicit warnings for potential mismatches, leaving users to discover these issues only after they manifest. Understanding the issue: name server mismatch during hosted zone creation or update. Name server mismatches often occur in two scenarios. When a hosted zone is deleted and re-added. When there are updates to an Apex domain's hosted zone. In both cases, users may unintentionally introduce a discrepancy between the domain registrar's name server records and the ones AWS assigns. This can cause DNS queries to fail, leading to service interruptions. Proposed solution: introducing warnings for name server mismatches. The solution to this problem is straightforward but powerful. AWS should implement an automatic warning system that alerts users of potential name server mismatches while creating or updating hosted zones in Route 53. This warning could be integrated directly into the AWS Management Console and provided as part of CloudFormation outputs when deploying DNS-related resources. Scenario 1: Deletion and re-addition of Route 53 hosted zones. Consider a scenario where a user deletes a hosted zone in Route 53 and later re-adds it, expecting everything to work as before. However, AWS may assign a different set of name servers to the newly created hosted zone, causing a mismatch with the registrar's settings. By implementing a warning system, AWS could prompt users to verify and update their registrar's name server records to match the newly generated ones, avoiding potential downtime. Scenario 2: Apex domain hosted zone updates. Another common scenario involves updates to the Apex domain's hosted zone, where users might change DNS settings without realizing the impact on name server configurations. A warning system highlighting potential mismatches during the update process could prompt users to review and confirm their settings, ensuring continuity of service. Benefits of the proposed solution: time savings and reduced headaches for users. Implementing warnings for name server mismatches would offer several benefits. Time savings: users would save valuable time by being proactively alerted to potential issues before they result in downtime. Reduced headaches: avoiding name server mismatches means fewer troubleshooting sessions and a smoother overall user experience. Increased confidence: users would have greater confidence in making DNS changes, knowing that AWS is helping to safeguard against common pitfalls. Recommendation for AWS: incorporating warnings in CloudFormation outputs and AWS console. To make this feature as helpful as possible, it should be integrated into multiple aspects of the AWS ecosystem. AWS Management Console: when creating or updating a hosted zone, a warning notification should appear prompting users to verify their name server configurations. CloudFormation outputs: when deploying DNS-related resources via CloudFormation, output should be generated to alert users of potential mismatches and direct them to review their domain registrar settings. These recommendations help ensure that users consistently know the importance of name server configurations, reducing the risk of service disruptions. Conclusion: towards a more user-friendly AWS Management Console. By implementing warnings for name-server mismatches, AWS can significantly improve the user experience for those managing DNS settings through Route 53. This small but impactful change would save users time, reduce the potential for errors, and enhance the overall usability of AWS's DNS management tools. As AWS continues to grow and evolve, features like these will be crucial in maintaining its position as a leader in cloud services. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.